Happy birthday, Kuya.
Thank you, Mom.
Nag-light pa ka? Don't forget to pray after.
What's happening? What's going on? You see the movement.
Sige na, uy, i-light na. Wala, dili na na mo light. Kaya na mabaw imong putla sa imong. Get another one.
Take mine, but don't burn me. Mom.
Oh, sige, the other one. No, you need one more. The red on the side.
But don't take all of them, okay? Because that's mine.
Sige na. Ano pa yung mag-light after na to? Kian.
Here, Mom. Trying.
Sige.
Put it there now. Swag.
Kuya's birthday candles. Love ka ni Kuya?
Yeah, you got it. You want me to say that? You want me to say happy birthday to you? But you got.
Hi guys, today we're gonna go eat at Mary Brown's Chicken.
It's your birthday lunch, no?
Yeah.
Birthday day lunch.
And today's a very hot day.
I know. And we just went to the Gikan Matanag Church. Diba? Oh, nag-light a candle. Right? And then, Kuya wanted to eat out. So, because it's his birthday, he gets to choose. Ha?
Apit na ni mo red ang ilang kuan ha?
Oo, na yellow na no. Oo, na color. Ang dahon. Ano. So, ano mi mga unay. Instead of Popeyes, mo try mi aning Mary Brown's
Because
chicken.
Dad's friend recommended it.
Oh, Dad's friend recommended it. They said nga, lami daw. So, now we're gonna find out if it's really lami. Uy, na yellow na gid siya, oh.
Yellow na lagyan dahon.
Oh, no, fall na. Fall na. Nindot sila diri, oh. Ay, sa kuya, ayaw sa cross kuya.
Labang kuya kay kuan.
Nindot sila diri, oh, kay daghan kay sila og kapalitan. So, di palabang jud ko niya. Thank you. So, ani mi Mary Brown's chicken. Sud na ta?
That's not your birthday.
Do you have a chicken?
Your birthday? Yeah, yan ang nag-birthday. Uy. Oh, that's what. Ano sa man yung Big Mary? Dali, matilaw ka dyan. Okay. Hello. Good, how are you? Okay, you gotta choose ni ilang menu diri guys. Ako lang ning gi-voice overan kay nagpa-music man sila. Uy, maka-copyright niya ta. So, kaning sa ubos, mga salad, mga mac and cheese. Unya na sila deal sa ilahang Coke 245 sa ilang soda di ay. So nibayad na si Daddy. Gamay ramig na bayran oy kay katong box nga among gipalit is just $21 something. So mga 40 something ra among nabayran for the 4 of us. So it's a sulit meal. So nana ang mga bata nagpili na sila og chair. Kay naghuwat mi sa amuang orders. Everybody wants to sit beside Dad.
Okay, so you sit beside your sister and me, I'm gonna sit with Mom.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Thank you guys. So for lunch, we're having mac and cheese, a Big Mary sandwich, and a battery.
The box.
A box of chicken.
Punta na daw ilang box. Wala ka daghan din ani. Daghan din ani.
Oh, sanitize.
Pagin sila
Gravy nga free. Ilome with a biscuit.
Na sila gravy, na sila biscuit.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sige na, igutom na sila amahan.
Okay,
Okay.
ang Big Mary ni Kuya.
Big Mary.
Open it.
Wow.
It says it's gonna be with a pickle on top.
Okay, so this is
Okay,
for
that's for
Kuya.
Kuya, the birthday boy. Oh, sanitize sa tabi. So, mga unami, gikan nami nag-wash hands sa washroom. So, nag-distribute ko ana. Kaya nasa sila plato-plato, which is nice. Kay first time na mo nga nangaon may fast food nga box, one big box among gi-order niya na plato-plato. So, nara nagkaguliyang nami, nagkagubot nami sa ilang french fries. In fairness, guys, I will rate it 10 out of 10. Kay lami gyud ang ilang potato fries. Wedges man siguro ang tawag ani, potato wedges. Kay kuan man siya kanang baga siya ba unya na siya coating nga lami sa diyang lasa oy kay dili siya parat, sakto ra gyud siya. So
Unlimited.
Finally, we're gonna eat.
Unlimited, okay? Careful. Kaon na ka. Kaon ka mga bata.
So, it's our time to shine. Mukaon na ta guys. Ato ning tilawan. First bite. Ako na lang sad ning gi-voice over kay ni kusog jud maayo ang music. Uy, unya. Kaning makapiright lagi ta. So, anyway, ato na ning ihungit. Kay happy case mami. Uy, tilawan na to, be. Pastilan, kalami siya. O, nakapa-thumbs up good ko. So, lami good siya guys. Walay atik. So, mga unami ron, kaya ron, kuan na ta, mabusog na ta.
Dalawang na to, man.
You want this much? Oh, that's okay.
You want to yung chicken, lami ba? First time. First time niya.
There's a drumstick. Kanain mo drumstick.
Mommy, could I have a fork, please?
Only fork, dear. You have to use your hand. Mom, just fork.
We saw it.
No, sorry, Kayla.
There.
Okay, mag-isip. Hindi mo siya magkinamot. Wow.
Because I couldn't know.
Here. Mommy, ayun. Tilo the chicken din. First bite.
Siya oily no.
In fairness, saan may food siya? Lahit food sa lasa. No? Lahit food siya. Lahit siya. Okay. Paano niya? Eat na. Kaon niya ready. Dami. Buwan man saga. Wow. Good.
Mami ba?
Mami. Pulbos na. Naway, ang puno. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Perfect kayo. So, sa
100 out of 100.
So, kakatulog Mary Brown's chicken. I don't know if naba na sa inyo. Try na mo. Dami kayo. Ito is frying meal.
Kuan na, busog ka na.
So nice. Apa ka na french fries oh?
Katrapo ka naman diha.
Oh, wala.
Wa pa ka nabusog. O, tiwasan na.
Kaya wala ka.
Si Kuya, wa pa naman. Drink soda. Eh, nawaw pag i-try. Mom, manamig ka o naway. Bukog na.
It takes so much effort to chew one part of the biscuit.
Oh, no. No, are you happy? Okay. Ga-holding hands na ang duha ay. Busog na ning duha ay. Kay ga-holding hands na. Busog na mga person. So, it's errands time. Mangumpra na mi para sa among party tomorrow for Kuya Kian's birthday. So, I guess that's it for this vlog, for this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Uy, di pag-itaon ta vlogger, no? Anyway, sa susunod na sa daghang salamat. Bye! Ang duha ay bye ninyo. Bye na.
Bye!
Nitago si Kuya.
Dito eh.